Today, we're looking at what could be Mazda's most impressive SUV yet, the 2027 Mazda CX-50.
The 2027 Mazda CX-50. Take one look at this concept and it's hard not to think this belongs in a completely different price bracket. Because just look at it. This isn't just another compact SUV. It looks rugged, it looks premium, and somehow it manages to look both luxurious and adventure-ready at the same time.
When I put this concept together, the goal wasn't to completely reinvent the CX-50.
It was to imagine what the next generation could look like if Mazda pushed its design language even further while keeping everything that already makes the CX-50 so attractive. The front end immediately grabs your attention. The larger black grille, razor-sharp headlights, vertical LED lighting, and bold lower bumper give the SUV a much stronger personality than today's model. Then you notice the subtle red accents. They're small details, but they completely change the character of the front end. Instead of looking like another family crossover, it looks like a premium SUV that's ready to leave the pavement. Move around to the side, and that's where this design really starts to shine. The long hood, the clean shoulder line, the black wheel arch cladding, the large wheels, the roof rails. Everything works together to create an SUV that feels planted, athletic, and surprisingly expensive.
If you covered the Mazda badge, a lot of people would probably guess this came from a luxury brand, and that's exactly why this design feels so exciting.
Mazda has spent years building a reputation for making vehicles that look more expensive than they actually are. This concept simply takes that philosophy one step further. Around back, the clean design continues. The slim LED taillights, glossy black trim, sculpted tailgate, and rugged lower bumper give the rear just as much presence as the front. Nothing feels excessive, nothing feels fake. It simply looks clean, upscale, and well proportioned. That's one of the biggest reasons the CX-50 has become so popular.
It doesn't rely on oversized grilles or dramatic styling tricks. It lets the proportion do the talking.
The compact SUV segment has never been more competitive. Even Mazda's own CX-5 continues to be a strong seller. So how do you stand out? You build an SUV that people can't stop staring at. And that's exactly what a design like this could do. The wider stance immediately makes it feel more confident. The rugged cladding gives it genuine adventure vibes. The premium paint and black trim add a level of sophistication that many competitors simply don't have. This feels like the kind of SUV you'd be parked outside a luxury hotel, but also confident enough to take down a dirt trail the next morning. That's a difficult balance to achieve.
Another thing I wanted to keep was Mazda's elegant design philosophy. Some concepts become so futuristic that they stop looking believable.
That wasn't the goal here. Every change was meant to feel like something Mazda could actually build. You instantly recognize it as a CX-50. It just looks stronger, more premium, more rugged, and much more expensive.
And it looks like an SUV that costs far more than it actually would.
If Mazda ever moved in this direction, I think it would immediately grab the attention of buyers looking at the Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, Subaru Forester, Hyundai Tucson, Kia Sportage, and even entry-level luxury SUVs. Not because it's trying to be flashy, but because it looks confident, it looks refined, and it looks like an SUV that costs far more than it actually would. Sometimes the best redesign isn't about changing everything. It's about taking what's already great and making it even better. And I think that's exactly what this concept represents. The 2027 Mazda CX-50 wouldn't need to reinvent itself. It would simply become one of the most rugged and premium-looking SUVs in its class. What do you think? Would you choose this over a Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, or Subaru Forester? Let me know in the comments below.